Yep. Hey everyone. So today let's figure out how the Lua plus SQLlite template works in Create dApp. So Create dApp is an AO starter kit where you can create your processes and the front end with it. It's give you an framework like this. So over here you can create a process in a structured format using MLag and inject your your process details and then use them in front end directly. So front end is not of use right now for us. We will be checking out how the SQL works in this template. So as per the documentation, works measure to simplify basic root operation with SQLite. Front end okay. Install dependencies in PMI and giving the process, giving the permissions to run. Okay, my bad. So the process name is books.ao/books and then run process. Okay, it's still downloading. Okay, process name, my bad again. Books. Some dependencies, okay. Permission denied for using installing. Okay, let's temp this permission first. Here we go. Books. Let's see now. Okay, not install missing. Install. Okay, this is because it only takes 5.6, not 5.7. This shouldn't be the case. And okay, main Lua file not found in just learning AO scripts. Okay, this is the process file. Okay, is this generating a wrong process or something? Library process lib. Okay, we want to build it, right? Build.sh and then let's check dependencies, install dependencies, check dependencies, install correctly, build Lua sh. Okay, build completed successfully. Okay, build Lua sh. Source name directory build, source directory not found, build. Okay, source directory. Okay, test name main.lua. Okay, so over here it is process.lua. It should be main.lua. Yes. Now this should work. Let me check. Okay. Yes. This is also one of this. Okay. Instead of doing that, let me just change the name of this main.lua and let's see now. Okay. What's this type of error? So it's saying main.lua not found. Running books build. Okay. And books will text ao.books.sh. Okay, that is correct. Then build.sh, we get over here. After that, assuming its name main.lua, the source file test learning yearbook scripts whilst getting this two dots here extra. This is the main issue, I guess. It's getting these two dots. Okay, might be because of this. Not sure. Okay, no. So third part because of this, I guess. Hmm, Scripts. The hell. Let's wait again. But how? I didn't change anything as far as I know. Yep, nothing changed apart from this. So, okay, that's strange. I think I don't know something which I should, but yep, okay. So it's built. Now let's try to deploy it. But before deploying this, one more step we have to do, that is giving it the wallet. Yep, this one. Okay, so now for this, instead of using this, I'm going to use SQL this thing. Okay, def.json. Yep, and yeah, npm run works. Bye. Cool, cool, cool. Not found. So in interaction and string handlers, string AOS module not found. Package preload AO module not found. Okay. Saying that AO module not found. Have they defined AO somewhere particularly? Don't think so. Nope, nope. Hmm. dApp, templates, apps, nothing here. Strange. That one. in process. Let's see what is being spawned. Hmm. Okay, okay. So owner address, my address is my default. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. So as for this dot init dot AO not found. Okay, let me check once. Not be here like this. It don't require dot. Hmm. Initial. Nope, nothing. Okay, let's debug it. Let's first private our plot. Hmm. Hmm. Local AO. Okay, let me just try this one thing. No, it won't make sense. So the name of the package is .ao. It's not just AO. Okay, got it. Let's create a pull request. But before that, check one more thing. Lua SQLlite source AO. If we need to change this process to main, and what's the name of it in Lua? Normal Lua template, it's main, yeah. And until okay, so that's the issue. It's okay, got it. So SQLite Lua, scripts. Okay, then let's do it right away. Okay, yes, 16 folks. Mm-hmm. Let me find it over here then. Okay, but just for some time else, I will create a PR later on. So it's deployed. Let's check this. Um, yeah, yeah. So the data is here, right? Okay. Hmm. Just out of curiosity, let me check one more thing. Create your tab, plates, AO, Lua, library, process lib. Okay, I think AO changed it. Can start the thing. IDE dot. I had to write it. Hmm. So if if it has become .ao, then it should not work. This there won't be any message. Okay, but it's working. Then why not here? Okay, let's take one more thing. Uh, you have to define the process module and schedulers. So let's check whether that's the latest one or not. Mm-hmm. Let's check with this. Using mm-hmm. Authority is cool. Scheduler is right. The module is missing. Okay, I guess we can access the module. Um, Unity. I think that's the command. Okay, so this is the latest module. And if I change it here, then with process lib, that's AO, it should again deploy. Hmm, strange. Hmm, hmm, hmm. Hmm. Okay, let's do one thing. Just use this and one screen. It's getting an error over here. It's getting error here. Module AO dot AO not found. This is because of Lua. Hmm. I think this is because of Lua, but the issue is it shouldn't be like this because in Lua template base SRC library process lib it's AO and it's working. Hmm. Similar for the first time solution is by entering a dot where this okay. I'll check on it later. Try to deploy it once again. Ah, get it. Okay, so let's move this and now just a new one. Now check it once again. Remove this also. Hmm. Hmm. Module, the new module. We send something else is there. Something else is making this here. Not. Oh, I'm bad. This is not an SQL. Uh, yeah, module should be different. It's not an SQL module. It's this is the SQL bosom. Hmm. Yeah, this is a module. Separate module. See, Spokesbox processes. So with the memory 500 MB, AO, JSON. Hmm. Okay, let's check on the script then. It's working for now. Hmm. Okay, so this is a book manager process to simplify CRUD operation with SQLlite. Okay, so we have get info, have get books, add book, update book, delete book. Cool. Now here is the version SQLlite DB. Okay, this version and SQLlite open memory. Okay, cool. And configured false true. Then db.seed. Okay, what does the db.seed command do? Okay, let's check it one by one. Let's first check this db. Right, so we are in the library db. db.c execute create table. Okay, it creates a table. Let's side by side draw an Skelly for this. Hmm. So hmm. execute. Let's check this. Okay, this is a module, I guess. So SQLlite in memory. Not familiar with this. Let me ask. Hmm. It creates an open a new SQL database that is entirely in memory then being stored on a disk. Okay. Key points about in memory SQL. Temporary, the database only access while the program is running. When the program ends, all the data is lost. It's to first for space. Okay, testing. Okay. TV doesn't already access. Okay. You want to process data between us. Cool. Got it. So it's opening up a SQL database in your RAM, and then cb.create is creating a DB over there. Okay. So very first steps is hmm, um, it was SQL open memory, right? Opens a SQL DB in RAM. Then it should work correctly. Mm-hmm. Next step is uh, the next step is DB seed. DB dot seed. Okay. This creates a table, the SQL DB, right? And that's also one mentioned what type of table it is. What's the table? Okay, ID. This is integer. I'm not sure about the official way to write, so I'm just writing it like this. Then after text, done. Okay, then title, also text. It should not be equals to null. Got it. Cool. This is done. Configured is true, so it sets a configured. Okay. Now let's see what does this gets book command do. db utils db. Okay. Raw query flag. Hmm. Let's see what this utility we have for us. Okay. SQLlite. Okay, so this is the same package which is present end over here. Hmm. So this is just a wrapper of different packages. Nothing more than that. Now this is the main place where the package is being used. Now it's mentioned raw query select all from books. Okay, so raw query is like stmt db prepare query. Okay, entering the whole query here, not stmt, then error db error message. Do they have, it's a command, I guess. In the system itself, let's just hmm, 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 hmm. Okay, I got it. And then db.utils query many. Okay, SMT rows if SGMT finalize on arrows. Okay, finalize and end rows. Okay. SGMT rows in rows to table.insert rows in the table, then finalize return rows. All right. Okay. The most recent field operation. Cool. Let's know what does this actually do over here. Uh, so it changes the query as per the Lua compilation, I guess. What's the use of here? Hmm. Yeah, it's a compiled statement. Cool. So, yep. So this is a compiled statement, and let's see. Cinch. Okay. Hmm. Query many. Okay, we were here. Okay, query many. It says the compiled statement, and then as per the compiled statement, finds and return rows. Okay, so it will return all the rows with the data. Cool. All the rows and data. Yeah. Then it's add book, insert or books, author and title, author and title. Okay, values of author and title. Hmm. Okay, so it's preparing the statement right here. Statement is not getting prepared. It says the error. If it does, then it adds the value, like the parameters of it, and what parameters needs to be passed in place for author and title. And this is step. Okay, let's learn about this. What's this? This line is a prepare operation. In order to execute prepare command and return two values. The first is a capture, is to result code. We are going here using the combination. And okay, so it's actually prepare prepare this whole command, execute this whole command, and now we are just checking whether it's returning an error or not. If it does, it then throws an error. If it doesn't, then it's put out the statement finalized. Okay, so let's just check this. So what is this? Hmm. It cleans up and releases the resources associated with prepared statement. Okay, it's only used for book. Okay, got it. So um, it says like it first prepare the statement and compile it. Then we enter the values over here, like whatever the parameters we need to pass in each of these variables. And then after this is done, like the step is done, it then finalize, which means it's clear up the memory, which this function is currently using in our RAM. So like this statement gets cleared up after executing this statement. And update book set. Okay, update book set author title where ID. Got it. And this is set into books. Cool. This also auto add the IDs as far as I know, because uh, other than that there is no way the ID would be generated. Like we are not adding ID specifically, so this should add the ID automatically. So let's confirm with this once. Does this add the memory key ID by its own? Yep. Because of how we defined it in the table creation sheet. If not exists, books primary key auto increment. Okay, we have defined it in over here auto increment. Got it. Cool. So it increases automatically, and then we need to update the book. Set author. Okay, checks then again binds the name, book ID, same thing. And step finalize and then reset. Let's check this out. What's the difference between reset and finalize? Reset the prepared statement. back to its initial use, allowing to be reused with new parameters. The statement remains valid and can be executed again. This is useful when you want to execute the same execute different values. Destroy the prepend statement for all resources after adding. Okay. So it just resets the values. So like all the values become null after we enter the reset. But if you use finalize, so it's reset the whole statement and clear up the memory. Gotcha. Now it's delete book. Delete book is again the same. Nothing different. Okay, so what do we have over here? Like, I'm not kidding. By at the first end, are we using this? Okay, so the team have added it on their own. So like you can query it with different parameters and stuff. But let's ask this also. How this file is being used in the whole code base. Oh, DBTL is being utilized once only, but yeah, got it. Cool. So yeah, that's it for this video or like a for learning. Let's just write it down over here. What is what to get better understanding to revise the stuff later on. Okay, so okay, let me write it like this. We have main.lua which imports every modules slash library SQL DB and initiate command for the first time and the table during initialization. Now, this is an app. Let's go. Okay, done. Let's copy this and write library dab.lua file until the okay. As far as I remember, these are the functions. Okay, process get info. What's process library? Have been yep. We haven't been through this. Okay. So what happens is like after creating the table for to get the data, first we visit process library. Mhm. Okay. Then to get books, books.db get books. Okay. So this will come afterwards. First, we adjust it here. Only handler the functions to be called by the handler. Yes. Okay. These functions interact with db app db.lua to execute the SQL queries. Now planes all the functions uh, a module to execute different SQL operations. Hmm. This is one. utils dot Lua. This is the helper function. Uh, hmm. Okay, so this is done. Guess, yep, that is it from my end. If you guys have any questions or like to continue discussion over this, let me know. Yep, alright. See you guys tomorrow.